What's going on, guys? So today is super exciting. I'm actually on my way to pick something up a little special for the channel. I'm sure you guys are gonna like it, but in the meantime I'm gonna need tie downs, which I didn't come with, so I gotta stop at Lowe's just after I got off of work. Go to see what I can find here.
That's good.
Not too bad.
A week after he had a spun bearing. So
is it just making some weird noises?
yeah,
or?
I mean, you could hear it in there. So we took it to 2 different places, and naturally they said, yeah, we'll rebuild the engine for a lot of money.
For 10 grand.
It was like 9,200. So this is actually an N54 out of a 2009.
Sweet.
So it's got 3-inch Black Horse Racing downpipes.
Okay.
I had to put in the DP fix to take her engine codes, and then I put on the twin intakes from Berger Motorsports.
Heck yeah.
So
that's awesome.
Yeah, so my son, we got him the Subaru WRX.
Oh, that's a sweet car.
This while it was being repaired, and then my wife liked this one so much she didn't want to get rid of it. so she drives this all the time now. But now I've got 2 turbos that are getting where I gotta rebuild them. So
you getting some of that wastegate rattle?
oh yes.
Right, so I guess let's just try and take some weight off of this, right? You pulled it out.
Oh, just that one?
Yeah. There we go. Are you holding it?
Yeah, I got this side. I just don't want it to go flying on.
Yeah.
But yeah, cool. Nice. Sweet. Look at that.
That was actually a little bit smoother than I thought.
That wasn't that bad.
Not bad at all. In the rain, but that's alright. Alright guys, so it is about 7 o'clock or so the following day. I was so exhausted last night, got home at like 11 o'clock, and I was loading it in the pouring rain. But he was a great guy. We had a great conversation down there. He's got an awesome car, and it was cool getting to check that out and hearing what he's got done to the car. And he's actually really interested in what the real issue with the motor is. So I don't know, guys. I think I might have to take it apart and find out. So check this out. The dealer apparently claims that they opened the oil cap and they could tell that it had a spun bearing. So I don't know about that. That sounds like a far-fetched diagnosis. But we'll see. 76,000 miles. See, someone was there. They had like labeled some of the sensors and stuff like that. Probably staying organized. They were doing something. But it looks pretty good, honestly. It was clean, kept in the garage. He said it was in the garage for like 4 or 5 months. And now I got it. He gave me a great deal. Alright, first thing, I'm going to get it up on the stand and then tear into it. I got a hoist and the engine stand and a leveler with it. So this car was pretty awesome. So I'm gonna get started on that. Probably do a little time lapse. God, this thing looks so good. Look at these two. What am I doing? I think I have a problem. Alright guys, so first thing I'm going to bolt this onto the engine, and then I am going to lift it up a little bit, and then eventually slide this part into the new engine stand, and then I'll spin it upside down, and I'm going to go in from the bottom this time because I heard it has a spun bearing. So yeah, I'm just going to get started. Alright guys, so as you can see, I lowered it enough to where I think I can take the hook off. Yeah, so let's roll it out. Let's roll it out, see what it looks like. Pretty excited. I'll probably spin it around and then, flip it over and take the oil pan off next and see what those bearing shells are looking like. Alright guys, I think I'm going to call that the end of part 1 of this transformation or rebuild investigation, whatever you want to call it. So here's the freshly built motor from Dover Cylinder Head. Highly recommend using his shop down there. If you have any questions, throw some comments below. Feel free to contact me. And definitely subscribe if you want to see what's potentially wrong with this motor. Like I said, it's supposed to have a spun bearing, but it's kind of low mileage for that, so I'm suspicious and crossing my fingers. I don't see any obvious cracks or anything in the block, so we'll see. Stick around for the next video. Again, like, subscribe for me. Appreciate it.